Hi guys, Judy Fine here. Today I'm going to talk to you about vibrato and more importantly how you can achieve vibrato. And then at the end of this video there will be a vocal exercise that you can use to practice my suggestions. Alright, stick around and check it out. So this singing tip video is going to start the way all of my singing tip videos begin. I'm going to tell you to do your vocal exercises. Vocal exercises make your instrument stronger. And when your instrument is stronger, you can do everything better. You can sing higher notes better. You can sing longer notes. You can sing with more agility. You can sing with a stronger upper chest voice. And you will have vibrato or better control of your vibrato. It's the same. Do your vocal exercises. Onlinewithjudyfine.com, become an online member and have access to my entire library of vocal exercises. While you're doing your vocal exercises, there are things you can do and experiment with to find your place with vibrato. The important thing is that you experiment in the correct way. So some people try to force vibrato out with their jaw or with their throats or even with their bodies. We want your vibrato to come out naturally. We want your vibrato to grow out of a combination of relaxed resonance and strength. So strength from your body, a relaxed tongue and throat, and then a continuous flow of air that supports your vibrato. The first and foremost thing is that you have to have a strong core. Sound familiar? You also have to have a relaxed throat. The more you do your vocal exercises, the stronger your core will get and the more comfortable you get having a relaxed tongue and throat. Do your vocal exercises. With those two things in place, with good breath support and a strong core and relaxed tongue and throat, you will have the support you need to create and maintain a nice vibrato. So you have a strong core and relaxed tongue and throat. Now what? I've talked in the past about how the higher frequencies of your voice resonate more. We feel them more up in our sinuses, the roof of our mouth, behind our nose, sometimes in our nose. The vibrations are experienced more up here. This is the place that you want to try to access when you're trying to create vibrato. The best way to do that is to think the sound I or eh, both kind of nasally, I, ah. Eh. If you really get that lip going, it's very attractive, I know. But raising that upper lip, spreading the roof of your mouth, lifting the soft palate, all those things help you access the place where vibrato really lives. For just about all of my students who have not been able to create vibrato before, the I and ah kind of position in your mouth is where they first find it. Doesn't mean you always have to do that forever in order to create vibrato. But right now you want to position your mouth as if you're going to sing eh or ah when you're doing all your vocal exercises, if your goal is to try to create vibrato, or when you're holding a word in a song or whatever. Even if you're singing an ah, no, it doesn't matter. Eh position, kind of like you just stepped in dog poop and it smells bad. Eh. And from that point on, it's about while you're holding out a word or a note, you're maintaining that strong core so that the airflow is consistent and supported, so that if you do find that vibrato, you can maintain it. This is something that if you continue to work out will become easier and easier. It will kind of happen on its own, but this is how you help it. By doing your vocal exercises, did I mention that? By keeping your core strong, by keeping your throat relaxed, by experimenting with that I or ah position, and then doing that for a really long time over and over again until you're happy with it. If you haven't tried my video about strengthening your upper chest voice or your mixed voice, you should check that out because the things I say in there apply to vibrato too. In this video, I'm going to close it out with a vocal exercise that is all using ah, and that is your opportunity to practice keeping your core strong so that the breath is supported consistently, and then you can take the opportunity to add the I position to your ah vowel and see if you can get that vibrato going. It's a really good exercise for this purpose. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments section. And did I mention you should do your vocal exercises? So go to onlinewithjudyfine.com and become a Singer Athlete online member and have access to my entire library of vocal exercises. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It really helps me out and I appreciate your support in that way. And I will see you next time. Enjoy your new workout. Do your vocal exercises.
So this exercise is called Nalaga.
because that's what you're going to say. So we're going to sing on one note, and you're going to morph from the sound na to the sound la to the sound ga. And you're going to do all that without moving your jaw. You're going to keep your ribs strong and your throat relaxed. And as you're holding this, you remind yourself to keep your ribs strong and your throat relaxed. Sounds like this. Guys down here, females up here. My jaw is not moving. Strong ribs, relaxed throats. The stronger your ribs are, the less you have to push from your neck or your jaw or your face. Because we don't want to do that at all. Go into your head, boys, whenever you need to. That's the rule, always. Open up that head voice. Just your tongue. Jaw is not moving. Na, la, ga. Throat stays open. Shoulders stay relaxed. Ribs stay big.